Hello, Showtimers. This is Poppa Wheelie's Garage, coming to you from Alberta, Canada. And today, we're talking about a very special collection from the Hallmark group of companies that usually brings everybody their Christmas and birthday and greeting cards. For a couple of years, they made these. This is a puzzle with all of their little collector cards that they were offering for sale at the time. And so was this, a puzzle on Kiddie cars, which I've never opened. It's brand new. They also offered a cup, which has never been drank out of. These are some of the cars that they offered. This one is clearly an Austin of England pedal car reproduction, and a very nice job. They're all metal, they're very heavy, easy to fall in love with. This one, the 58 Plymouth Fury, long before Christine. It was called Speedway Pacecar. Very nice job of making these, and it does have pedals in it that work. This one is called a Mark V, but it actually looks like a Cadillac. On the back it says Toyland 5707 USA. It too is a pedal car. This one is an airflow. Clearly a pedal car takeoff of the 34 Chrysler. Very nice job of it. Pedals work. Hallmark did a wonderful job on all of these. This one is probably a copy of an old Pontiac, is what it looks like to me. Not sure. But it too is a pedal car. Has a little horn. Any kid's dream. This one, I probably don't even have to explain. Everybody knows what a 64 Mustang looks like. The only true muscle sports car ever built. GM tried to copy Ford in '67 with their lame version of a Camaro that really, I guess that's GM's way of trying to save money and copy a trend-setting classic. And Mustangs have been classics ever since, every year. Never missed a year of production. This one is on the cover of this one puzzle, and it is a copy of a Chrysler Airflow again, but they've added outside exhaust, which Airflow's never had, but it's definitely got airflow wheels. And it's a pedal car too. I think there's an umbrella now. Oh, golf clubs, sorry. It came with its own set of miniature golf clubs in the bag. Ooh, pretty. This one is a Timmy racer. copied after the old Ford Speedsters of the day. Not a pedal car, but it sure is a cool little car with its skirted fenders all the way around, and obviously 33-34 Ford grille. And this one, not a pedal car, clearly just a smaller version of the Austin that I showed you earlier. And now, there's one other car here that probably nobody in the world has ever seen. This came out of a barn. It's all metal. It screws together with screws. It's got a Model T body, 32 Ford grille, but it's got an Offenhauser double overhead cam 4-cylinder. The windshield stanchions are original. When I got it, the roof was missing and all 4 wheels were gone. So I took the wheels off a Packard model that I had, and I used the roof off of a 34 Ford. But it's got the dash that came with this car when it was built. I've no idea when it was made. I'm thinking mid 50s, maybe early 60s at the latest. But as you can see, the suspension's held in with screws, the engine is mounted in with screws, the body bolts on with screws. Everything comes apart, and I've had it apart. And it's just a wonderful little piece of engineering. To put a value on this car, to me, it's probably worth at least $500. But it's not for sale. I'm keeping it. That's it, Showtimers. Stay tuned for another episode of Poppa Wheelie's Garage. Love you all.